So in this video, you'll learn how to block a phone number or a contact on your Samsung Galaxy S25. So the first step is to view the details of that phone number or contact. And you can do this by opening the phone app. Then you can go to contacts. If you're blocking a person who's currently in your phone list, then you just want to find them and then select them and tap on this I button to view the contact information. Once you've done that, just tap on more and then select block contact. Confirm that you wish to block the contact, and that's how you can do it. If you're blocking a phone number that's not saved on your phone list, then again in the phone app, just come to recents and then look for that specific number. Once you find that specific number, tap on it once like this, and then tap on this hamburger icon to view that phone number details. So from here you can see how many times they've called and which line they've called. In order for you to block this phone number, just tap on block and then confirm that you wish to block this number. You also have the choice of deleting the call history for this number. So if you want to do that, you can just tap on that check mark. But if you don't, just leave it deselected and tap on block. Once you've done that, you can see again this phone number has been blocked on your phone. You can also choose to block a phone number or by using the call settings menu. And to do that, just in the phone app again, go to keypad, then tap on the three dots in the top right corner and select settings. In your call settings menu, look for block numbers and tap on it. And then all you need to do is just tap on add phone number and type in the phone number that you wish to block. So you can choose to select it from recents if you're not too sure about the phone number. You can choose to select it from messages if you've received a message from that phone number, or you can choose to block it from contacts. It's completely up to you. But once you've done that and you've added the phone number there, you can see it's listed underneath here under the section for blocked phone numbers. So that's how you can block a phone number or a contact on your Galaxy S25. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.